Steven Surdick said, our perspective is the way individuals see the world. It comes from their personal point of view. Our perspectives shape how we act or react in a situation. Whenever I go through difficult situations or difficult times, my question to God would always end in why. But if I have to think the amount of times I failed, the amount of times I struggled, the difficult times I faced, I realize now that it actually made me the person I am today. And in order for one to grow, you have to endure. And as hard as it sounds, your pain, your suffering is how you will grow. I grew up having to accept the less, having to accept the crumbs. I was made to believe it was normal. However, later on I realized that, but this is how my family perceives life. It was their perspective on life. They didn't know anything better. One thing I didn't know was every single day, through the difficulties, through the hardships, the pain was growth. It was preparing me for life. It was preparing me for today. It was preparing me for this very moment. It was preparing me for you. So whatever you think you are going through is preparing you for something greater. Look at it this way. Was greatness ever achieved by being comfortable? Have you ever heard of a successful person said they've achieved what they've achieved by being relaxed? No. We grow through pain, and we grow when it's difficult. That's the time when strength are bold. That's the time when our resilience are bold. I will always say my difficult times is my training ground. I've never seen or heard of a successful person celebrating their difficult times. Heck, I've never heard they celebrating their difficult times, because those are the times when the successful person are in preparation to win their battle. The times where they're preparing for their success. These are the times where they're in preparation to achieve their success. You see, their tough times is battleground to prepare for their victory. I've learned that timing is everything. And I know it's difficult to be patient. It's difficult when you see everyone around you are succeeding. It's difficult, I know. But remember, you are your own. You are the king of your own life. You are the ruler of your own destiny. You have the power to decide how your life will turn out. Those difficult times you find yourself in, that is training for the battle you are about to win. So stop looking at what others have and have achieved and focus on you. You see, if you want to be normal or mediocre and fit in, do what the rest of them are doing. You see, it takes courage to be successful. It takes perseverance to be successful. It takes boldness to be successful. If you want it, stop feeling sorry for yourself, that you're not worth it, and stop doubting yourself. Remember, we grow when it's difficult, when times are tough.